In the recent update of the Insta360 One R app and firmware, an all-new AI shooting mode, PureShot, was released. This is essentially one-shot HDR where the algorithm handles the noise and colors in less time than it takes to get a night shot. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use PureShot, and I'll be testing it with both my One R 4K and newly arrived 1-inch mod, thank you Insta360, to see how they compare. Oh, and I'll show you the original picture plus the color plus versions too, so you can really check out the differences. 5 locations, 6 photos at each location to compare. Let's go. So let's get out and check out how this performs. In each test, I'll take photos with both the One R 4K and 1-inch sensor mods to see how they compare. And just a quick point of info, you can't use PureShot with the 360 mod. So if you're struggling to find it, that might be the problem. Okay, so here's where you can see the actual setting on the One R screen, where you can toggle the PureShot icon on and off depending on whether you want it or not. But all the magic happens in post-processing on your device through the app, like you can see here. Right, let's get on location. As you enjoy this new fly-lapse effect on my scooter using the 360 mod on my One R, it's worth me just telling you about when to use this one-shot HDR PureShot mode. It's when you've got high dynamic range in your scene, so bright highlights and dark shadows. It's also best where you might have low levels of indoor light and where you might have taken a night shot before, but it would have taken longer. So now you know that, let's see how both the 4K mod and the 1H mod perform with PureShot. The nice thing about this feature being AI based is that I'm sure it will always be tweaked to give even better results. So consider this a first look at the feature, and I think it performs pretty well indeed. I hope you've enjoyed this short video showing you what PureShot is capable of on the One R. Which did you prefer, the 1-inch or the 4K mod PureShot results? Or did you not like them at all, preferring the standard photos of the super vibrant color plus versions maybe instead? Be sure to let me know in the comments below. Here's my video giving you the latest of my One R content, and here's another one too. Thanks for watching. It's always good to have you. Hit that applaud button if that's how you're feeling. Be sure to share if you think this feature is worth knowing about, and see you again here soon, I hope. Laters all.